Okay, so this is my vending machine program. So basically, I have done a vending machine code using Python, and um, the codings are been have been shown on the code lab here, and its code are basically on ice cream. I have done um, a Baskin Robin based menu vending machine. So it's basically a like cold ice cream dessert type vending machine. So yes, my my items in the vending machine have vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, mango, cotton candy, watermelon, mint chocolate chip, double chocolate fudge, strawberry divine, gold medal ribbon, mocha almond fudge, flan and cream, cookies and cream, Kit Kat Sprinkle, Oreo Dream, Mars Overload, Twix Mix, Bounty Hunter Twirl, Whipped Cream Can, Coffeelicious. So after all this, according to all the ice cream flavors, serial numbers have been arranged in numerical order, and then there's quantity given of how many flavors have how much quantity of them, and prices are arranged according to the value given. Just few changes in some ice cream flavors because it's pricey. Have given it well, and this is how it'll look when I have put the code to look this way. So you can see how the products of ice cream look below. Welcome to Baskin Robbins. All the flavors are listed in serial numbers and the prices.